My dear students, welcome back in the 21st video of physics for class 9 chapter number 2, that is force and laws of motion. This is the fourth practice paper based on the second chapter, and in this practice paper I have given 6 questions to solve you. The first one: why is it advised to tie any luggage kept on the roof of a bus with a rope? Why is it advised to tie any luggage kept on the roof of a bus with a rope? This is the first question. You will have to answer it. Question number 2. When a carpet is beaten with a stick, dust comes out of it. Explain. That is, when a carpet is beaten with a stick, then dust comes out of it. What is the reason behind it? That you will have to explain. The third question is, from a rifle of mass 4 kg, a bullet of mass 50 gram is fired with an initial velocity of 35 meter per second. You have to calculate the initial recoil velocity of rifle. See, in this question, the mass of rifle and the bullet is given. The velocity of the bullet after firing is also given, that is 35 meter per second. You have to calculate the recoil velocity of rifle. By using the formula to find out the recoil velocity of rifle, you can easily calculate it. The fourth question is, a force of 5 Newton gives a mass m1 an acceleration of 10 meter per second square and a mass m2 an acceleration of 20 meter per second square. What acceleration would it give if both the masses were tied together? In this question, a force of 5 Newton is acting on two different masses. The first mass is m1, whose acceleration is 10 meter per second square, and the second mass is m2, whose acceleration is 20 meter per second square. What will happen? What acceleration would it give if both the masses were tied together? Means these two masses, that is m1 and m2, if they were tied together and the same force will act on it, then what is the net acceleration that the object will feel? That you will have to calculate. When the two masses were tied together and force of 5 Newton will act on it, then how much total acceleration will it give? That you have to calculate. Question number 5. Which of the following has more inertia? A rubber ball and a stone of same size. Out of these two, you will have to say which of the following has more inertia. The second one is a 10 rupee coin and a 1 rupee coin. A rubber ball and a stone of same size is given. Now you have to tell which of these two objects has more inertia, either of a rubber ball or of a stone. In second one, 10 rupee coin and 1 rupee coin have been given to you. Which one has more inertia? 10 rupee coin or 1 rupee coin? That you have to answer. Last question of this practice paper is, state Newton's third law of motion. What is the statement of Newton's third law of motion? That you'll have to write in simple way. So this is all about of this practice paper number 5. These are very easy questions. I hope you must solve all of these one. Thank you very much.